how to send money on Revolut with IBAN. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to send money on Revolut with your IBAN. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to send money to IBAN on your Revolut account. So first of all, just simply open your Revolut official website or just open the Revolut app in your mobile device, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you're logged into your account, first of all just see what IBAN is and how it works. So IBAN stands for the international bank account number, which you can use when making or receiving international payment. Your IBAN doesn't replace your sort code or your account number. It's an additional number with extra information to help overseas banks identify your account for payment. So you can find your IBAN on your statement, or you can use the tool on the international payment page to generate your IBAN if you and for any of your Barclays account or any other bank account that you have simply. And after that, once you have your IBAN number, basically you just have to make a bank transfer. Just simply open your Revolut website, and after that on the right hand side of the window, just log into your account first of all, and after that you need to select the country in which you are sending the money. So for example, you're sending money in UK, just select that, and after that you can see the £2 will be charged for the bank transfer fees, and you can also see the convertible amount for the money that you are transferring and exchange rate as well. Just simply click on the drop down menu for the recipient in which you are sending the money. For example, you're sending money in Argentina, just simply select that, and after that just simply click on send money, and then you have to open your Revolut account and scan this particular QR code and enter your number and in which you have the Revolut account with, and after that just simply click on send, and the message link will be generated to the recipient. Then they have to receive the payment, and they will get the payment after a few days. Bank transfer from Revolut generally takes 1 day and 24 hours, but it might take few more days, so it will depend on the country and their policies in which you are transferring the money. So this is basically how you will be able to send money on Revolut with IBAN. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.